In this video, I'm going to show you the 5-minute buy and sell signal indicator, which is highly accurate, and this is kind of a unique indicator. Might be you have not seen this type of indicator before, because this indicator is quite interesting and you will love when I will be going to talk about this indicator in this video. So please make sure that you are not going to miss any part of this video, otherwise you are going to miss the very important strategy. So before I jump into the video, if you are willing to join the best broker that I personally use, and this broker provides you variety of trading accounts, as you can see on the screen, but I personally use the standard account, and I have given the link of the broker in the description of this video below. This broker is highly regulated, trusted, and has a high reputation on Google as well, and it has never done any kind of a problem with the deposit and the withdrawals. So this is highly trusted from 2015. Okay guys, let's jump into the trading matters, that which indicator it is that is highly popular and that is providing us with the high accurate signals. So this is called trap trading. So you need to write trap trading on tradingview. That was the trap. Okay. If you write trap, yes. Okay, so this is the simple one without any space. Okay, without any space, trap trading by 100 kiwi. Okay, I repeat, trap trading without any space by 100 kiwi, and it has 199 likes. Okay, so when we attach this indicator on our screen, this indicator has a basic look exactly like this. It draws automatically the type of the red levels on your chart and the green levels on the chart, and these levels are quite interesting to go with. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, we have so many bars here that are already text written on our screen. So we will just do the only one setting. We will go to the input section and we will uncheck the labels. That's it, and our chart is completely ready to go for trading. Okay guys, so right now, as you can see, this is the Matic USD chart, and because today it's Saturday and the markets are off, so the crypto is running. So overall, this indicator is quite fantastic for Forex, crypto, and the stocks. So especially Forex and stocks and crypto are the major pairs that you can trade with this indicator, because it has a very interesting role in the market. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin chart. As you can see here, this is the Bitcoin chart. This is the very clear picture of the market right now. So now I'm going to tell you that how you are going to operate with this indicator. So guys, as you can see here, we have the red levels on our chart. They are going to represent the oversold levels of the market, and the top levels that you can see on the chart, the green ones, these type of stairs are the overbought levels of the market, right? Okay, so you must be selling, you must be going for the selling signals. Okay, so from these areas, okay, you should be looking for the sell signals. Otherwise, basically the overbought level starts from here. Now you can use any type of indicator that is interesting, like you can go for UT-bot alerts. Okay, so because why I talk about the UT-bot alerts in my video, because basically this indicator is very good in finding out the reversal levels, and I want it to be used on the aggressive settings. Like, you do not need to change the settings. Otherwise, the best settings for the UT-bot are this one, 3, and this is the best setting for the UT-bot. But if you are comfortable in using that setting, that is completely fine. That basically fits the indicator as well. It's on your choice. If you want to be using on the aggressive mode, then you can use the 110 key value to 1 and ATR period to 5. Okay, now guys, you can see here, if we go with the 3 and 5 setting, then definitely we do not have a sell signal at the moment. So once the sell signal is going to come, then what we are going to go for the short position, because these from here, from this green level to this green level, this is the overbought levels of the market, and you should be looking for the sell signals. And when we talk about this one, these red levels, these are the oversold levels. So here from these levels you are going to take a long position. Okay, now if your account sizes are good, you can play the martingale as well with the smaller lots, because these are the dead overbought and oversold levels. And personally, in my opinion, this indicator is far better than using the normal Fibonacci levels. So if you love to trade the Fibonacci levels, then this indicator is going to be a very helpful tool for you, right? Okay, now let me see the other crypto pairs, that how this indicator is performing. Okay, so overall, guys, it's not important to go for the UT board alerts. It's your choice. You can add the other buy and sell indicators. That's not a problem. Otherwise, if you still want to use any UT board alerts, that's a condition. Okay, look, why I was saying to use the UT board alerts on the basic settings. Why? Because you can see it has plotted us a sell signal right from the overbought levels. But if you are going to change the settings, then these signals will come random. Okay, so you are not going to trade these all signals. Like you must not be interested in buying that pair from this level. So that was the perfect sell you have taken, you enjoyed the profit. That was the perfect buy, you have taken a buy, that is the fine option for you. Okay, now I can show you that it is working on everything. Like if you go to USD JPY and other charts which are in the forex, like this was the Friday closing. Now you can see we should not consider the sells from here, because there is another box that is showing us the overbought levels here. So it means that if you are willing to take the sell positions from here, that could be a wrong option. You should look for the sell positions from here. So mostly it will also save you to take the early entries as well. So guys, and one more thing, I'm again saying that UT board is not the only option with this indicator. If you have another buy and sell signal indicator, you can use it. Like this is the gold 5-minute chart. You can see the market is retraced back after the buy signal. But if you have any other buy sell signal indicator, you can use it. But my main focus of making this video is, like, if you are using the other overbought and sold levels like RSI, stochastic, and the Fibonacci levels. So these are the much better levels than the other indicators. It's much better than the RSI indicator. Okay, so wait for, you can use the different candlestick patterns with it. You can use the different buy and sell indicators for your confirmations, and you can also play some sort of martingale trades. Like for example, if you are going to use 0.01 trade, first trade, if you are going to open from here, then you are going to open the next trade from here into the buy, and from there the reversal is expected. Like if the market keeps on dropping to the dead levels, these are the dead levels, the market can retrace back and your martingale trades can work positive. So this is the concept of this indicator, and moreover the white line is the baseline, so you can work according to it. So guys, this is all about this trading indicator. What do you think about this indicator? Let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos, and share this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and stay tuned with FX Mentor US.